Lite Dentistry Course. This new course will feature the Lite Dentistry marketing strategy. How to grow your smile makeover business by incorporating easy aligners and easy direct composite powered by the latest technology. Easy aligner comes from the fact that we're going to show you how to become an Invisalign Go or Invisalign Lite provider, technology that uses artificial intelligence to simplify the planning and the manufacturing of high-end aligners. On the direct composite side, we're going to teach you the DSD Direct technique, a simple and effective technique to allow you to develop beautiful smiles in a very simple way. The DSD technology, also with the power of artificial intelligence, can help us develop new smiles in harmony with faces with the DSD natural restoration concept embedded in it with the DSD Direct technique, allowing you to inject a new smile in a fast and simple and affordable way. So Lite Dentistry is the combination of procedures that allow dentists to provide to patients an affordable, fast, and simple solution to transform their smiles. So the goals of the course: growing your smile makeover business by adding an attractive storyline and simple solution. Becoming an Invisalign Go provider or an Invisalign Lite provider. Learning how to perform the DSD Direct technique. Creating a marketing strategy around Lite Dentistry. Understanding, diagnosing, and treating patients that require the smile tria. Move teeth, reshape gum, and restore teeth. You'll also learn the basics about DSD and Invisalign, and will understand the step-by-step of the DSD Direct technique. We believe that by implementing the Lite Dentistry concept, you will have a great storyline and a great marketing strategy to show to a big part of the population that they can overcome their fears and invest in a new smile by overcoming their fear of waste of time or expensive or painful. Lite Dentistry will tackle these fears by creating a solution that is fast, simple, comfortable, and inexpensive. Hope to see you with us at the Lite Dentistry course.